just deny. I don't wanna see it or give it a try. I've condemned myself and it feels like hell. Sooner or later this will have to end. Bring me back or make me smile. Is this all I have?
Do you want to sit?
Sure, I'll take a sip.
Gone. No matter what they say of myself, I drown. It looks like a chain, but until again I can think about it, I feel ashamed. Give me light or lift me up. Is this all I
You're not gonna make this light.